Namaskar, hello to the one who is watching this video. In this video, I will be showcasing one item from my collection. So let's start. This is a British India silver coin which was struck in the year 1940, the year which saw the birth of two nation theory. As you can see, the denomination of this coin is quarter rupee. It has two languages embossed on it, English and Urdu. The denomination, the name of the country, the year is mentioned in a circle. And outside the circle, there is a wreath consisting of roses, thistle, shamrock leaves, and lotus flowers. On the back of it, it has a bust of King George VI facing left, the ruler under which this coin was minted. Surrounding the bust, there is a lettering George VI, King Emperor. The engraver of this coin is Mr. Percy Metcalfe. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching it.